All right, our last segment of our new material for the finance unit, I'm on MDE 54, day 18, is loans. Now, if you notice, the loans formula looks exactly like the payout annuity because they're both the same idea. You're taking some value and you're depleting it either through monthly payments or through withdrawals. So in terms of a loan, you're going to have these Ds, which I just call payments. So down here, the PO is the original amount of the loan. D is the payment you're making. R is the same annual interest rate. K is compounding periods. N is the length of the loan. So this is the same as a payout annuity. So if you use the wrong one, it's actually okay. But the idea is you're depleting some amount that you borrowed. So PO is that initial amount. And we've got a couple practice problems so you can see how these work. And then I'll do them on Desmos too. So you can afford a $900 per month mortgage payment. You found a 30-year loan. How big of a loan can you afford? This is asking what's my PO going to be? So this is the same formula as payout annuity, but I've got to figure out what everything is. So D is my monthly payment. R is my interest rate. N is 30. And K is going to be monthly because it says per month. So when I put all that in, it'll be 900. 1 minus 1 plus R. K to the negative NK. Okay, I go ahead and do it separately, like I said before. That way I don't have to put extra parentheses. And then all divided by 0.073 divided by 12. And we're going to go over in Desmos and do that as well. Okay. So I'm going to do 900, 1 minus 1 plus 0.073 divided by 12 to the negative 360, all divided by 0.073 divided by 12. And ta-da! So you can afford $131,277.45. So you either need a bigger house payment or down payment if you want to spend more. But otherwise, that's what we can afford. So that turns into $131,277.45 is the amount you can finance. Now, here's the big one with loans. They are over a 30-year period. They've got interest attached. So how much money will you pay? Well, you're going to pay $900 every month for 30 years. So D, K, N. So you're going to end up paying $324,000 total. Interest is the total amount you paid minus the initial amount of the loan. So this ends up being $192,722.55 in interest. And then you might want to try number 9 on your own. But I am also going to go through it to finish up the finance videos. So you owe $20,000 on student loans. That's your PO. Rate is 0.058, compounded monthly, and is 7. All right, sounds good. So this is one where it's 20,000 equals, and we pull the D out. 1 minus 1 plus R, K, to the negative NK. And again, I did the negative NK separately, just to avoid some parentheses. All divided by 0.058 divided by 12. And then I'm going to take this whole piece and divide it into the 20,000 to get my monthly payments. So I'm going to come actually show that on just a standard graphing calculator over here, but you are welcome to use Desmos if you would like. All right, so I'm going to do 1 minus 1 plus 0.058 divided by 12 to the negative 84 divided by 0.058 divided by 12. Ta-da! And then that's what I'm going to divide 20,000 by to get my answer. So there's my answer, $2.90.26. And then it's how much interest did you pay? So we've first got to figure out the total paid. So the total paid is your $290.26 times your 12 times your 7. Payments you made for how many years you made them. Make sure you're typing all those in, and then we can figure out interest is the amount you paid minus the amount you owed. So a total interest of $438,184. And that concludes the notes videos for the 5 different types of finance formulas.